Hey guys, welcome to my channel BachhalTech. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass Microsoft login when you install any Windows. So I'm installing Windows 11 here. So it will ask to log in your Microsoft account and we have no option how to skip it, right? So okay, we just install it and reach to the point where it asks, to log in the Microsoft account. Okay, it's checking the updates. I would also suggest you to, click I don't have internet access, because if you click you have internet access, then they will download the updates and it might restart. So when you get a Wi-Fi option, you can also click on the bottom left side, I don't have internet, so it will speed up the all right, the PC will start. Because I did this mistake, I clicked I have internet, so I would suggest you to don't connect with the Wi-Fi anyway. Now after a couple of restarts, when the update is done, you renamed your computer, it will ask you to log into your Microsoft account. Okay, set up for personal. Next. Yeah, see, there is no option to bypass. So if we click sign in, and then we have to put any email which doesn't exist. So I will put no at thankyou.com. If you don't know, just put no at thankyou.com, and then on next put anything abcd 1234 something, because you won't be able to connect with the email. Now it will show oops, something went wrong, so we click next. It will ask you to create a local account, so you put your name of your user. So I'm gonna keep, oops, yeah, it won't work because I kept Bachal as my computer name, so I will keep BachhalTech. BachhalTech. There you go. Next, after that, doing all this, just next, I don't want to keep password. After doing all the stuff, let me fast the things up now. Okay. After doing all the things, there you go. I'm on the home screen. If I go to the computer and their settings, I can see the username and it's not logged in. There you go. See, it's not logged in. On the left side, it shows local. See you in the next video.